Hey YouTube, I got a question about when you're supposed to push the clutch and how long you're supposed to hold it for, on one of the comments. And I had the video on the approaching the red lights and then they turn green, what to do after. So they were asking if do you hold the clutch in the whole time when you're coming to a break, when you're coming to the red light, and it's no. So what you do is you push in the clutch only, and then you shift to neutral, and then you let go of the clutch, and then you start braking. So when you're on the brakes and you're already in neutral, you don't need to hold the clutch anymore, because the clutch is only supposed to be pushing the clutch and then getting out of gear to neutral, and then you let go, and then you continue braking. So remember, always let go of the clutch after it's in neutral. So if you're driving like this down the road and then it turns red, you let go of the gas, push the clutch, shift to neutral, let go of the clutch, and then start braking. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Like and subscribe. Thank you.